So ito na mga kayamies, no? Just got in, Ben Tulfo tatakbo as senator, as an independent candidate. So pakinggan natin siya.
Good morning. Tagalog o English? O Tagalog na lang. Mas kilala sa pangalan Bitag. Bitag is Ben Tulfo or Ben Bitag Tulfo. I'm a journalist by profession. It's been about 22 years na ginagawa namin yung community service. And I'm an executive of Bitag Media Unlimited Incorporated. The trade name is Bitag Multimedia Network. We've been in this kind of business for the last 22 years. So one of the things that we specialize is community service. We call it community service because we're not in the public service. Why community service? Because we're not public servant. We're in the Fourth Estate. And being in the Fourth Estate, we're supposed to be agnostic, which means our job is to tell the truth. Seek the truth and tell the truth, but then again, we realize after helping a lot of people for the last 22 years, they keep coming back. Broken system. In other words, you keep helping them, you're not solving the problem because our job is to tell the truth, seek the truth, and tell the truth. And so we decided to be advocate by being part of the solution to the problem. And that's all began, and that's the reason why we're here. And the reason is there's got to be change. Tama na yung tulong ng tulong para pabalik-balik, may problema sa sistema. Hindi natutugunan yung mga problemang idinudulog ng taong bayan. End.
2 minutes up. 8 minutes po for Q&A.